In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay a video in Google Sites. This is a great feature to capture visitors' attention the moment they land on your site, providing an immediate visual engagement. We're going to be converting a video to a GIF format for smooth autoplay functionality. Let's dive in. First, head over to your web browser and type video to GIF converter freeconvert.com. This online tool is a handy resource for transforming videos into GIFs so they can be embedded seamlessly into your Google site and set to autoplay effortlessly. Once the site loads, look for an option that says click from device. This allows you to select the video file stored on your PC or other devices, which you'd like to convert into a GIF format. This step is crucial as accessing the right file easily can save you time and trouble. Now, after uploading your video, you'll see options to trim the video. Click on Trim Start to determine the point in the video where you'd like your GIF to begin. It's really useful if you want to focus on a certain part of your content. Similarly, go ahead and click on Trim End to decide where your GIF should stop. By trimming unnecessary parts, you can create a more impactful and succinct GIF. Once you're happy with the selected clip, it's time to proceed to the conversion. Click on Convert to GIF. The site will take a few moments to process your video and convert it into GIF format. Be patient here as the time taken for conversion can vary depending on the size and length of your video. After the conversion is complete, click on Download to save the newly created GIF file to your device. It's best to save it somewhere you can easily find, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. With your GIF ready to go, the next step involves heading over to Google Sites where you're building or editing your site. Once you're in the website editor, find and click on Image. This option is how you'll upload your GIF. After doing so, click on Upload and select the converted GIF file from your device. This uploads your GIF to your Google site, where it can be viewed by visitors automatically on page load without requiring them to click play. And there you have it, a dynamic, attention-grabbing GIF on your Google site, automatically set to play whenever someone visits. This simple yet effective technique can significantly boost the visual impact of your site, making information effortlessly eye-catching and accessible to all. Thank you for watching, and happy site building.